caution. What you are about to see may shock and disturb you.
It's a zit. Everybody gets them. Deal with it.
What? Hold up. For those of you who are new,
this is your captain speaking.
And I'm back with another video. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be very simple. We're clearing acne overnight, and I don't want to spend too much longer talking. It's pretty self-explanatory. So make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and share this video with somebody who's breaking out right now so we can fix that. You dig what I'm saying? Without further ado, people, let's get into the video. So some products that you're gonna need today. It's only 3: a bar of soap, a tube of toothpaste, preferably no gel and nothing, just regular old schmegular toothpaste, and some alcohol or some hand sanitizer if you don't have alcohol. So the first thing you're gonna do is just wet your face and then apply the soap and massage it into your face real easy like. So after you've thoroughly applied the soap and massaged it on your face for around 2 minutes, you're going to now let it sit for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna... Okay, so now that you're back from after letting your face sit, you're going to rinse your face and rinse the dried up soap off your face, you know, with warm or cold water. On the damp, make sure your face is not completely dry, but kind of damp. This crunchy towel. Ooh. And now we go to step 2. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna want to do is get your alcohol, get you a cotton ball, a piece of tape, piece of toilet paper, paper towel, whatever, and you're going to apply some alcohol on to that. Try not to get too much because it will burn your face. And you know, just enough to dampen, and then you're gonna go all around your face with it. Just every area. Oh, that's strong. Every area. Ooh, on your face. And where there's acne at. Finally, you're going to take your toothpaste, preferably the non-gel one, just a regular schmegular one, and you're going to want to put a drop or like a squeeze of toothpaste on every bump, and you're just going to leave it there overnight. So wherever you see it, that's where it's going to be. Boom. Oh, that's nasty. Boom. 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 Okay, them the really big ones, so we just gonna leave it there, and we're gonna let it sit overnight, and or in the daytime, whatever. It's day right now, but you know, you would do this overnight too. You let it sit for a few hours, and by the time you wake up, them bumps should be gone. Listen, try this, see if it works. If it does, make sure to hit me up, let me know, comment down below. Hopefully this helped you. And yeah, we chasing that clear skin, man. We trying to be the best selves that we can be all 2020 and beyond. And since I'm your captain, I'm trying to get you there. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.